10 amazing benefits of baking soda. Did you know that small packet of baking soda in your kitchen harbors some astonishing secrets? Many recognize baking soda as a cooking ingredient, but did you know it boasts a wide range of health benefits and practical uses? In this video, we'll discuss 10 incredible benefits of baking soda. From easing common ailments to being a daily routine ally, baking soda is more than just a simple white powder. Let's get started. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to Vitamin Vitality, where we discover the secrets to a healthy life. Number 1. Reduction of canker sores. Baking soda can be a surprisingly effective ally in the fight against annoying mouth ulcers. These painful little sores that appear in the mouth can be quite uncomfortable, and this is where baking soda comes in. Its main property is alkalinity, which helps neutralize acids in the mouth. When suffering from canker sores, the mouth becomes more acidic due to inflammation and the presence of bacteria. This acidic environment not only fosters the growth of more bacteria, but can also aggravate the pain and irritation caused by the sores. Applying baking soda, which is basic in nature, creates a reaction that neutralizes this acidic environment. Gargling or applying a paste made of baking soda and water on the affected area forms a kind of protective shield. This shield not only reduces irritation caused by acids, but also creates a less favorable environment for bacteria that can prolong or worsen the sores. Additionally, baking soda can help clean the affected area, reducing the chance of secondary infections. Number 2. Instant relief for acid reflux. Have you ever suffered from acid reflux and wished for a quick and easy solution? Baking soda might be just what you need. When experiencing acid reflux, stomach acid rises into the esophagus, causing that burning sensation and discomfort. Baking soda, with its alkaline nature, acts as an acid neutralizer. A simple spoonful of baking soda mixed in a glass of water can be an effective and quick solution. Ingesting this mixture, the baking soda reacts with the acid in the stomach, neutralizing it, and thus relieving the symptoms of reflux. Number 3. Aid for arthritis. Baking soda can be a valuable tool in managing some symptoms of arthritis, a condition characterized by pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints. While it's not a cure, baking soda can offer some relief due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Arthritis often involves chronic inflammation, and the use of baking soda as a means to help reduce this inflammation has been researched. When consumed in small amounts, diluted in water, baking soda can help balance the body's pH levels. This alkalizing effect is believed to have an impact on reducing systemic inflammation, which could alleviate some of the symptoms associated with arthritis. Moreover, studies have suggested that baking soda can influence the immune system in a way that reduces the inflammatory response. This could be particularly useful in treating forms of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, where the immune system plays a key role in joint inflammation. Number 4. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda is known for its whitening properties and can be an effective ally for those seeking a brighter smile. Its slightly abrasive texture and ability to neutralize acids make it ideal for removing surface stains from teeth, leaving them whiter and brighter. Using baking soda as a dental whitening agent takes advantage of its gentle, abrasive nature to softly polish away surface stains caused by consuming certain foods and beverages, like coffee, tea, and red wine. Moreover, by neutralizing the acids in the mouth, baking soda can help prevent further discoloration and the erosion of dental enamel. Number 5. Ally for kidney health. Baking soda can be a significant ally in kidney health, especially for people with certain chronic kidney conditions. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating the body's acid-base balance, and baking soda can assist in this process. In people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, the kidneys may struggle to maintain the proper acid-base balance, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis. In these cases, baking soda can be used as a buffer to neutralize excess acid in the blood and help maintain a balanced pH. Number 6. Goodbye to dry skin. Baking soda can be a useful resource for treating dry skin, thanks to its gentle cleansing properties and its ability to help balance the skin's pH. Dry skin can result from various factors, including exposure to irritants, changes in climate, and imbalances in the skin's natural pH. This is where baking soda can offer benefits. When used in skin care, baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote healthy skin renewal. This gentle exfoliation can be particularly helpful for those with dry skin, as the buildup of dead skin cells can make the skin appear and feel even drier. Additionally, baking soda can help neutralize irritating acids in skincare products or the environment, contributing to restoring the skin's pH balance. A balanced pH is crucial for maintaining the skin's natural barrier and its ability to retain moisture, which is especially important for those with dry skin. Number 7. An effective body scrub. Baking soda can serve as an effective body scrub thanks to its fine granular texture, which is gentle enough for most skin types. By exfoliating, it removes dead skin cells, promoting softer skin and a healthier appearance. Number 8. Solution for bad breath. Baking soda is an effective remedy for bad breath, commonly known as halitosis, which is often caused by bacteria in the mouth. Its ability to neutralize acids makes it especially useful in this context. Baking soda is alkaline, so it can counteract the acids in the mouth responsible for bad breath. By doing so, it not only freshens the breath, but also creates an environment less conducive to odor-producing bacteria. Additionally, it acts as a mild antibacterial agent, helping to reduce the number of odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. To use baking soda against bad breath, a simple mouthwash can be made by dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Gargling with this solution can help neutralize odors and keep the mouth fresh. It's a natural alternative to commercial mouthwashes and can be especially useful for those looking for a non-alcoholic, gentler solution. Number 9. Help with itching from insect bites. Baking soda is an effective home remedy for relieving itching and irritation caused by insect bites. When an insect bites, it often injects substances into the skin that can cause irritation, inflammation, and itching. The skin's reaction to these substances is what causes discomfort. Baking soda, with its alkaline properties, can help neutralize the skin's pH and soothe irritation. It works as a natural antacid, counteracting the effects of irritating acids present in many insect saliva. By applying baking soda to the bite, it can reduce the associated itching and inflammation. To use baking soda on insect bites, a paste can be made by mixing baking soda with a little water until a thick consistency is achieved. This paste is applied directly to the bite, allowing it to dry on the skin. As it dries, the baking soda paste relieves itching and helps reduce inflammation. Number 10. Natural deodorant. Baking soda is an effective natural deodorant, offering a simple, chemical-free alternative to control body odor. Body odor is generally caused by bacterial decomposition of sweat, especially in areas like the armpits. Baking soda is effective in this context due to its antibacterial properties and its ability to neutralize odors. When applied to the skin, baking soda helps neutralize the acidic environment in which sweat bacteria thrive, thus reducing the number of bacteria and, consequently, the odor they produce. Additionally, being alkaline, baking soda neutralizes the acids present in sweat, which are part of the cause of body odor. This pH-neutralizing action helps maintain a fresh, natural scent without resorting to the chemicals found in many commercial deodorants. In conclusion, baking soda is a true multifaceted hero in our home, from improving oral health and alleviating skin problems to offering practical solutions for everyday life. This simple yet powerful compound shows that sometimes the best solutions are already in our cabinets. Remember, it's important to use it cautiously and always consult a professional for specific health cases. And now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite use of baking soda? Or do you have any other home tricks you'd like to share? Leave your comments. Each one is red. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips and tricks on how to keep your body and mind in optimal condition. Hit like if you're eager to maintain your vitality, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Together, we'll achieve a better quality of life.